So today we're going to be talking about AI models and why you don't need to learn all of this kind of nerd shit to be able to get started within this industry. It's very important because most people don't get into this industry and don't make AI models because they think you need to do all this coding, all of this nerdy workflow shit. None of that's needed, and I can tell you why today. I'm not going to be pushing you towards a specific platform or online generator. They are good, and we'll touch on them in a minute. I'm going to be talking about a more general process which allows you to kind of apply this nerd shit without actually learning all of it, which is obviously what you want. Because you want that 10-10 model, don't you? You want the highest quality model, and doing this process allows you to get that model without having to do loads of installments, loads of coding or downloading Python or anything like this, which quite frankly, I don't know. Most people on the internet won't know, and it's pretty pointless trying to learn it. Today, we're going to be talking about simplifying the AI creation process whilst being able to get a very good output. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So let's talk about online generators. Most of the time, they're actually very, very good. Online generators only require you to add a prompt in, and then obviously you get an output. Now, a lot of the time, this output isn't very accurate to your prompt, but it normally is pretty good quality. You know, like 7 out of 10, maybe 8 out of 10 if you're on a very good platform. But they obviously do cost money, and they do take a lot of time. Sometimes the platforms go down, which is very annoying. All of this kind of stuff, which may deter you from using the platform itself. And this is why most people use a platform called ComfyUI. And this ComfyUI platform is normally free. And to get it on your computer, you'll normally have to do lots of coding, lots of nerd stuff, have a good computer, all of this kind of stuff, a GPU to allow it to all run. Now, that is not what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using ComfyUI, but in a very simple way. Rather than doing all that installation, all that nerd shit, which is going to take fucking ages and is not what you want to learn, what we're going to do is use an online machine which holds ComfyUI. This may sound complicated, but it's really not. What we need to do is make an account, pay a monthly subscription, which I believe is $10, then download a workflow onto that software and open it up. And that's literally it. So it takes a few seconds. I can even potentially show you a small tutorial over the screen now, which just kind of guides you through that basic steps of paying for storage, which is $10 per month, downloading a workflow, which can be provided for you within most kind of courses or mentorship programs, and will probably be in a link down in the description below, and then opening it up within this platform, which makes everything a lot easier. So there's no need to install all this comfy stuff onto your computer like most nerdy influencers on YouTube will probably tell you to do. So that's the first way of simplifying things without having to know any nerd shit. No installation of ComfyUI, just use it on an online generator. Now, yes, this online generator may cost a little bit of money, but it's not that expensive. If you guys are getting into a business model and you're actually quite serious about this business model, then there's always going to be some minor expenses. So $1 an hour isn't the end of the world. It will save you months of learning how to do all of this shit. So I'm guessing it's absolutely fine for you. Now, the next thing is you may be thinking on ComfyUI, these workflows look crazy. How am I going to make one of them? How am I going to learn exactly how all of these work? All these nodes, all these lines, all these things here, what are they? How am I going to learn them? And how long will it take? Well, I can tell you now, it will take 5 minutes because you don't need to learn any of it because it's all pretty much a load of bollocks. Unless you're going to sit there and make all of these workflows, you don't need to know what these nodes do. I've been making AI models for almost 3 years now, and I don't know what 90% of these nodes actually are or do. So that is living proof that you don't need to understand how the workflow is created. You just understand how it operates. Similar with like a watch. I don't know how this is made, but I know how it works. The timer goes round and I tell the time. Similar to the Comfy workflows. You don't need to learn exactly what each and every single node is and what settings have on every node. You just need to install one. You just need to download one or open one up and then understand how that specific one works. Add an image, add a prompt, add a LoRa, press generate. It's normally that simple, and doing that process means that you don't have to learn all of that kind of nerdy shit that honestly is going to take months to learn. Don't make your own workflow. That's going to take months as well. And a lot of the time, by the time you've made it, it's going to be outdated. So this is step number 2 of avoiding all of this nerd stuff. Rather than trying to learn the workflows and learn how to create them, just install one or buy one or get one from like a mentorship program and then learn how to use it, which if you buy a workflow, most of the time it comes with a small tutorial about 1 minute long saying click that and click that and you're good to go. So overall, the process of creating these 10-10 AI models that you normally see isn't that complicated. Yes, if you want to learn how to make these workflows, and you want to install it onto your own device, then obviously that's going to be a lot more complicated. But I use a laptop. My laptop has like the smallest GPU in it, and I just use this exact process, which is 1010 perfect, brilliant AR models that you'll probably be seeing on the screen right now. So you don't need to do all of this crazy stuff. Everyone's going to tell you, oh, you got to learn all of this, and it's just going to stop you from getting to where you want to be. So don't listen to that. Just listen to the basic steps and how to simplify it. In fact, I've actually done a series on simplification of creating these AR models. So go check out my channel and feel free to follow that. The last thing that I will mention is actually creating the model itself. You may have heard the word a LoRa, creating a LoRa. Now this LoRa is like the DNA of the model. Now creating that is actually quite hard, and that is something that you can't really simplify. But what you can do is buy one for $100, maybe $150, maybe even cheaper if you find someone on the kind of side there that can make these LoRas. If you pay $150, most of the time you're going to get a very, very good LoRa. That's personally what I do. I don't make them. I normally pay my designers to make them, and then it's done in 3 days, 4 days, and it's a brilliant model. The DNA is perfect. The LoRa is 1010 spot on, which means the images are going to be 1010 spot on. It's going to save me hours of generation. Each time I generate an image, it comes out perfect, exactly how I want it. If you have a bad LoRa, or you get someone very low quality to train the AR models, then as soon as you put it into the Comfy workflow and you start generating that image, it's going to come out quite inconsistent because the LoRa isn't good enough. So it's why LoRas are quite important to get right, which is why I wouldn't really bother too much doing it yourself. But once again, if you did want to, it is part of the series, so I do teach you a simplified way of doing this rather than doing all of that nerd stuff again. 3 steps. Let's summarize again. Don't use ComfyUI locally. Use it on a online GPU like Mimic PC. Maybe RunPod, a little bit more complicated, but they're the 2 options. And I'm not affiliated to any of these platforms, by the way, so feel free to use. If you find another one that's better, feel free to use it. But online GPU, which runs Comfy, it's normally what you're looking for. Don't learn the workflows, just use them. Like, don't learn how to make the watch, just learn how it works. Similar to the workflow, don't learn how to make it, learn how it works. And then the last one is try not to make the DNA or make the LoRa of the AI model. If you want to, feel free to do so. It is possible, and it doesn't require that much nerd stuff, but it does require a lot of time, a lot of trial and error, and normally quite a lot of money to make it yourself. So outsourcing it for like $150 or $100 isn't actually too bad, and I would recommend it. Saves you a lot of time and effort. So them three things are the magic things to prevent yourself from having to learn all of this nerd stuff, all of this coding, all of this shit, but you still want to get a 1010 AR model. That's going to help you out. So like, subscribe. If you want to see more stuff where you're avoiding the headaches, then feel free to watch more of my videos.